Well, let's show the sound issue with this phone. First of all, let's check that sound is enabled here, and also we'll check that the volume is up. They're all the way up, all four of these sliders. Makes no sound at all. So, having checked that, let's try and change the ringtone. Makes no sound. Makes no sound at all. Makes no sound. So let's do a couple more checks. For example, the do not disturb is off. Also, the accessibility, hearing, turn off all sounds is also off. I can do one more check, which is connecting the headphones to the phone and doing this test once more. Sounds on vibration, ringtone. If I change it now, I can hear the sound through the headphones, but nothing happens if I disconnect the headphones. So I believe this phone has a sound issue.